Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel, Magical Drawing. Subscribe to me. Let's draw and color a fish together. We need these colors: orange, ultramarine, green, yellow, bluish green, burnt sienna, blue, light rose, and red. Don't forget to subscribe and like me. I will be very happy. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.